Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Toptal connects businesses with top freelance software developers, designers, finance experts, product managers, and project managers. Companies like Airbnb, Bridgestone, Motorola Solutions, and Pfizer rely on Toptal's rigorous screening process to access high-caliber talent on demand. This platform boasts an acceptance rate of only 3%, ensuring that only the most skilled professionals join their network. Toptal offers a no-risk trial period, allowing you to try out different talent before making a commitment. They emphasize flexibility and scalability, providing access to a global pool of experts who can adapt to evolving project needs. Whether you require short-term support or long-term collaboration, Toptal aims to connect you with the perfect match for your specific requirements. They handle the entire vetting process, saving you time and resources. The platform also facilitates streamlined communication and project management, fostering efficient collaboration between clients and freelancers. From ideation and execution to ongoing support, Toptal strives to provide a seamless experience. They offer a variety of engagement models, catering to different project scopes and budgets. With a focus on delivering high-quality results, Toptal positions itself as a premium solution for businesses seeking top-tier talent. This approach allows companies to quickly scale their teams with skilled professionals while mitigating the risks associated with traditional hiring practices. Toptal's specialized talent pool spans various industries and technologies, enabling businesses to find experts in niche areas. If you're seeking highly qualified freelance talent, Toptal offers a curated platform designed to connect you with the best in the field. Consider exploring their website for a more detailed understanding of their services and to see if they're the right fit for your next project.